there was really no doubt that we were in dire straits. Our HVAC system was falling apart. I rely upon people like Chuck, people who are in the know.
I'm a member of the congregation, and I'm a retired engineer. There were no thermostats on the second floor. That tended to either overheat or overchill the office space. So there's always been an issue with getting a balance of temperature between the main floor and the second floor. Community room across the way, that room gets a lot of use, and it had historically been a challenge to keep the temperature comfortable in there. We used to have issues with cold drafts that would blow through kind of randomly. I got connected with Jason from Focus.
One of the issues we found in this building is they zoned by the use of equipment. The building was a 2-story building, and they zoned it being the north and south. So 2 separate floors were controlled off one piece of equipment. So the upstairs would always be hot and the downstairs would always be cold. And so we came in and designed a system that would fit their needs and match them with what they wanted instead of just coming in and replacing equipment. Install day was crazy. We had a ton of moving pieces. We wouldn't be where we're at today without Mar-Hy. We've partnered together for 12 years, and they have helped make us who we are today.
One of the biggest things was making sure all the equipment was there the day of for the crane. Cranes are expensive. Getting 9 units down to one location was a little bit of a feat.
We really rely on each other, between me as a DSM and them as a distributor, on where we can each have strengths and benefits and to help them out. So a lot of where I came in was in communication with them, working with the factory to try to make sure that we were staying on lead times, that it was going to get there when it needed to get there.
Spent a lot of hours trying to measure, make sure everything's going to fit. This is a one-time deal, one-time shot.
Jason had that thing so well under control that it was just a beautiful orchestrated job.
I can pull up on my phone the app. I brought up, there's the gym on my phone. Change the temp. There we go. It's changed, just like that. That's great.
I come in, the building's cold. I turn the thermostats up, and the place actually gets warm quickly. Everybody has been real happy with the new system.
When I interact with Ruud, there's appreciation for us as contractors, as installers. The attitude is, what can we do to help you? How can we refine our process, our equipment, our tools for you to make your job easier?
The equipment has a long-standing reputation for being super reliable, easy to work on, and we've just had a really good relationship with them for the last 30 plus years.
The one controlling most of the decisions on what goes on that roof is the contractor. And so we're trying to do the things that make his life a little easier. I can tell you there's probably 24 feature sets on that unit that absolutely are driven directly from the contractor.
Ruud always wants to do what's right, and they always want to try to make a product that is going to last a long time, be easy to install, be good quality equipment for the contractors and for the end users.
Well, certainly we do try to design as much reliability in the product as possible for all applications. And so that starts with the raw material that we use. Like for that stainless steel heat exchanger, it's a 304 stainless, high-grade stainless, and we do a lot of things to try to mitigate some of those issues.
We have our 4 principles of performance, serviceability, installability, sustainability, and it's not just words we say, it's what we do, it's what we live, eat, and breathe every day.
So the slide-out blower is some of our competitor designs, you're going to take the top off the unit to access that. So there's a lot of time and effort involved to do that. We're trying to make it to where with the hinge panels, and the slide-out blowers, the slide-out heat exchangers, that he can literally get in there and cut his time on the roof down.
Time is money in this industry, and if a unit needs to be serviced, the contractor needs to walk in, be able to do what they need to do and get out. We have a design philosophy that integrates those key features into our products so that we can maximize return for our customers.
Renaissance line is so great to just set it on a curb and you're done. You don't have to throw that curb adapter in, which saved us probably an hour of crane time on this project, and that's huge.
Ruud, great product. Best kept secret in town.